From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
A happy Monday evening, State College. I'm student meteorologist Patrick Wright here with your CNET forecast, and we're going to take a look at our fall foliage. So we have some high color in the northeastern portion of the state, but moderate color in the rest of the state. So all the way from Philadelphia up to Erie, some of the leaves have not exactly changed or reached their full vibrancy just yet, but we do have some of that high color creeping down into Pennsylvania. Now, it may not be as spectacular as years past, but at least it's something for some trees. So if you want to go take a look at the fall foliage or anything in general outside today, it's partly cloudy right now over Beaver Stadium, 52 degrees as you step outside, and a south-southwest wind of 14 miles an hour. So looking at the temperatures around the rest of the region, 54 over in Altoona, and for the rest of the state, that's going to be a general spread. Some of the clouds hanging around over in Scranton at 45 degrees, and then the lower to mid-50s for the rest of the state, 56 in Harrisburg, and that'll be the warm spot. Now, in terms of the radar, the clouds are hanging around in Scranton, but otherwise everywhere else, all the places in the low to mid-50s are remaining mostly sunny as of now. But looking at the rest of the country, there's not much going on. We don't have much coming our way, so we do expect the dry pattern to continue for at least a couple days. But then we just have a few showers over in Texas and around the Four Corners. So looking at the future weather, I should say, for our region, as we head into tomorrow, notice the wind, it's still in the southwesterly direction, and that's going to keep us slightly warmer than what we're going to be seeing over the next couple of days. So notice as we head into the late afternoon hours and the early evening for tomorrow, we do see that a front move through, bringing us a change in the wind direction for Pennsylvania. So this is going to bring the chance for a few showers in the northeastern portion of the state, and then maybe even a few spot snow showers, depending on where the temperatures can get cold enough in terms of New York and along the Lake Erie coastline. So moving this forward into the day, Wednesday, it's going to cool us off, but we will remain dry for most of the state. But we are going to be very cool and partly cloudy for portions of the state. So looking at the temperatures and all the numbers, 39 degrees for tonight as a low, mostly cloudy for most of the night. And then by tomorrow, we have a high of 54. But keep in mind, the temperatures will be dropping in the afternoon. So if you are planning your clothing for tomorrow, do be prepared, because that is going to be the high roughly in the early to mid-afternoon, because then by the evening, the winds change direction and we're going to drop in terms of temperatures. So we can see this in the 7-day outlook. You know, once it comes up 47 by Wednesday compared to the 54, this is the air mass moving in. 38 degrees for a low tomorrow night. But then for the rest of the week, that's going to continue for most of the week. 48 degrees by Friday, getting into a low Friday morning of 28 degrees. So it will be cooling off nicely, skipping fall and going right into winter. But take a look at the weekend. Sunday, chance for rain and snow. We're keeping an eye on a system that may be forming off the East Coast, and we'll keep an eye on that and see how that develops over the next few days. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Patrick Wright. Make it a great day, everybody.